Hello everyone, my name is Aman Gupta and welcome to my channel Engineers Coding Hub. So this is a third video of our OOPS placement series. So in this video we will discuss about the encapsulation. So encapsulation is a one of pillar in OOPS because we talk about the four pillar in OOPS. So this is the one of the pillar in OOPS. So let's discuss about it. So what is encapsulation? So encapsulation is bundling the data and function into a single unit. So encapsulation is just bundling the data or function in a single unit. What means? Means a class. Class has a data member and member function. So I am binding the data member and member function into a single unit. This is called the encapsulation. So just simple. Okay. So when we design the class, we can say we have achieved encapsulation because a class allowed to use because the class allow us to declare private data member. So this is most important. Private data member and function together. So if we design any class and we can declare a data as a private and also declare the member, define the member function inside the class. So we can say we have achieved the encapsulation. So let's discuss about it. So what is the main advantage of encapsulation? तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पूछा भी जाता है इंटरव्यू में कि what is the main advantage of encapsulation. So the major advantage offered by encapsulation is data security. This is डेटा सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करता है एंड दिस इज बिकॉज प्राइवेट डेटा कैन नॉट बी एक्सेस्ड फ्रॉम द नॉन मेंबर फंक्शन. सो अगर अपन किसी क्लास के अंदर प्राइवेट डेटा डिफाइन या डिक्लेयर करते हैं देन वी कैन नॉट एक्सेस दैट डेटा फ्रॉम अनदर मेंबर फंक्शन ऑफ द क्लास. सो किसी और क्लास के इनसाइड मेंबर किसी और क्लास के मेंबर फंक्शन से अपन वो डेटा एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते. सो दिस इज द मेन एडवांटेज बिकॉज डेटा सिक्योरिटी. So outside the class that makes our data safe. So किसी भी outside class से अपन इस data को access नहीं कर सकते. This is provide the data safe. Okay, let's see the example. So this is my employee class, and in this inside this class we have declared two data member, which is name and age. Okay, so this is the getter setter, which is nothing but the method. We have already discussed the getter setter and constructor in our last video. So अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है देन आप जाके देख सकते हो. So this is nothing but we have a private member and some method. So this is called encapsulation. We bind the data member and member function together in a single unit. Okay, so if I want to access this data or update this data, so how can I? So using the data member function inside this class. So only this class member function can change these values, these data values. And अगर आप किसी another class से access करना चाहोगे, then we cannot access this data. So अभी अपन करके देखेंगे example, then it will very clarify to you. So this is just getter and setter with set and get the value. जो यहाँ पे set हो रही है value like this dot name, we can set the value. This get as an argument name and assign in this data member. Okay, and how can I get it? I can get it simply the get using getter. So this is just I can call the function get name and they provide the name. So let's see the practical. So it will very clarify to you. Just go the online GDP. Select here Java. And remove this code. Okay. So let's create one class. Let's create a class name is employees. Okay. Classes employees, and inside this class we have two member functions. So private data member. Okay. So private data member string name private int as of now के लिए is int दे रहा हूं मैं. Okay, and we have a getter setter also. Right. Setters. Okay, so just create the getter setter. So just public string get name which provide the name. If I want to access the name, then how can I access? I can access this using this method get name. Give the name. And if I want to set this value, this will return nothing because I just want to set the value. So just set name, and this dot name is equal to name. Okay, and let's create the another data member getter setter. Get age, just return the age. Setter for this data member, set age, which take age as an argument, and set the value. This dot age is equal to age. Okay, so let's remove it. Hello world. And as of now, I want to directly access the data. So I want to set this value. So just directly. So just I want to create the, I need to create the object of this class. So now I'm creating the object. Employees E1, employees E is equal to new employees. So I'm creating an object of this class. Okay. And now I'm trying to set this value because this is private data member. Okay. So can I set this value directly using this object? Name is equal to like Rahul. Okay. And run this program. So let's see what will happen. Okay. So here I need to set the int. Okay. Because it's written the age. So it will give the error while assigning this value. Using, I want to access this. I'm trying to access the data member name using the object. So it cannot be accessed outside the class. Encapsulation. What is encapsulation? This is the encapsulation. So we cannot access the data member outside the class and cannot assign this value. If I want to access, then how can I? So how I can set this value using the set method. So this is the set method. So I want to set this value name. So I just call the this method e dot set name, and I will pass the name. So I want to pass the raw. So it will set the name. And now I will run. It will perfectly run. Okay, so I need to set the as an argument because I am sending the name from here. So I need to take the as an argument name string name, and now it will perfectly run. Okay, now I am not getting any error. So now I want to set the this age. So e dot set age, and I want to 23, and okay. So this is set the value of this data. Now I want to print this data. So how can I? So just write the system dot out dot println. Okay. So now I want to this value this data Rahul. Okay. So e dot get, we can use the get method because class के अंदर की value we can access only using these method. केवल member function ही उसको access कर सकते हैं data member को. Outside the class it cannot be accessible. Okay. The println e dot get age. Okay. So now I am printing. Let's run it. Now you can see the Rahul and 23 has been printed. So using this get method, we can access the value, and set method. Using set method, we can set the value. So this is nothing but the encapsulation to binding the data member and member function together in a single entity is called the encapsulation. Okay. So अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर मोर वीडियोस. थैंक यू.